Your crawler code may be flawless, but when it runs, it could be operating completely exposed in the digital world. A direct connection means you're knocking on the front door with your home address, real IP, every time. The server can instantly identify you, easily flag, throttle, or even permanently ban your access. Your project's stability and success rate are never guaranteed. It's time to equip your crawler project with an invisible armor, residential proxies. How does this armor work? First, it enables you to blend into the web traffic of millions of real global users, significantly increasing success rates. Second, its massive pool of IPs ensures your tasks won't be interrupted by individual IP blocks, enhancing stability. Third, it seamlessly conceals your server's true IP address, safeguarding your infrastructure and data. And Thordata provides precisely such premium armor. We deliver residential IPs from genuine household devices worldwide, featuring global coverage and intelligent rotation. This allows you to focus solely on your core business logic while leaving the anti-bot battles to us. Stop leaving your passion projects exposed and vulnerable. Click the link in the description now to equip your data collection tasks with Thordata's residential proxies, your essential invisible armor. Thordata, where every data collection is trusted.